Hi, my name is Julie and this is my slide design project. I found this ad from Nutella encouraging consumers to use Nutella as a delicious breakfast spread on pancakes as part of its ongoing Wake Up to Nutella ad campaign. This ad really caught my attention. Today I'm going to analyze the design elements of this original pancake ad and why I like it so much. The first thing we notice is the bright red slogan, and then our eyes are drawn to the Nutella jar and then the yummy looking food on the table. We call this visual hierarchy. Because the letters in the slogan are bigger than the brand name on the jar, our eyes are drawn there first and then to the jar. But the message is clear: make pancakes delicious with Nutella. This is a simple ad with lots of white space, giving it a clean look. The picture and the simple slogan get the point across immediately. In addition, the bright colors in the picture grab our attention, and the use of bright natural light give it a good morning feel. Combined with the delicious looking food in the picture, we are drawn into this ad. In fact, I'll bet you're thinking, I really wish I could eat that right now. I know I am. As for design, we have good contrast with the red print against the lighter background. The red and yellow colors are repeated throughout the picture. The front plate, which repeats the color of the blue background, is aligned center, while the top words in the slogan are centered over the word delicious. The slogan arches over the banana rather than being printed on top of it, which keeps everything looking clean. As for typography, the ad uses a clean sans serif decorative font that has a fun, casual feel to it. The bright red color of the font really grabs our attention and repeats the red from the strawberries and the brand name. The letters have a white stroke around them to help them stand out from the background. My assignment was to create a new ad that would match the original ad as though it were in the same campaign. Let's look and see how I did. Here's the ad that I designed. Just like the original ad, I tried to make it light and bright to grab attention and give it a cheerful, good morning feel. I used the same red and yellow color scheme with the bright red slogan in a similar font with a white stroke around the letters to help them stand out from the background, just like the original ad. I contrasted the red letters with a light background. The red and yellow colors are repeated throughout the picture. The greenish-blue background is repeated in the stripe on the plate. The top line of the slogan is centered over the word sensational, and the slogan is in close proximity to the crepes it is referring to. I also arched the slogan over the plate, just like it was arched over the banana in the original ad. And just like the original ad, there is lots of white space. The picture itself does most of the talking, while the slogan gets the message across. And that's my design project. What do you think?